If you're a woman over 40 and your arms feel soft and jiggly, and you've been avoiding sleeveless tops because of it, this video is exactly for you. 5 easy exercises to tone your arms without using any weights. Let's get into it. Number 1, wall push UPS. You might think push-ups are impossible with bad wrists or weak arms. And regular push-ups, maybe not right now. And that's completely fine. Wall push UPS give you all the same benefits, with zero pressure on your joints. This move works your chest, shoulders, and the back of your arms all at once. The back of the arm, that soft, jiggly area, starts to firm up. When you do this consistently, stand an arm's length away from the wall. Place both hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Then push yourself back out. Keep your body in a straight line the whole time. Don't let your hips drop. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest 20 seconds between sets. Number 2, arm circles. I know what you're thinking. Arm circles seem too easy to actually do anything. But slow, controlled arm circles create real tension in the shoulders and upper arms. And they're one of the safest movements you can do after 40. This tones the shoulders and upper arms and improves blood flow to areas that tend to hold onto fat. It also helps with that shoulder stiffness that creeps in with age. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Stretch both arms out to the sides like a T. Make slow, controlled circles going forward. Keep the tension in your arms the whole time. Don't let them go limp. Then switch to going backward. 3 sets of 30 seconds in each direction. Rest 15 seconds between sets. Number 3, chair tricep dips. I know, dips sound hard and scary on your shoulders. But on a chair, it's totally controlled. You decide how deep you go. You're fully in charge. Start easy. That's always okay. The back of the arm is where most women over 40 feel the most insecure. Tricep dips go directly there. This is the single best exercise for that area. With absolutely no equipment, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, hands gripping the front of the seat, right beside your hips. Slide your bottom off the edge. Bend your elbows and slowly lower your body down. Then push back up. Keep your back close to the chair the whole time. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Rest 30 seconds between sets. Number 4, diamond push UPS on knees. Regular push-ups are tough, especially on your wrists and shoulders. Doing them on your knees removes almost all of that pressure. And the diamond hand position, that's what makes this one special. This is the most effective tricep exercise you can do without any equipment. It goes straight to the back of the arm, the exact spot that feels soft and flabby. Women see visible changes here faster than almost anywhere else on the arm. Come down to your knees. Place your hands together on the floor under your chest. Make a small diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Slowly lower your chest toward your hands. Then push back up. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Rest 30 seconds. Number 5, plank shoulder taps. Planks sound scary if your back or wrists feel weak. I hear that a lot, but a modified plank on your knees takes away most of that pressure. You just need to hold and tap. That's it. This works your entire arm from shoulder to wrist. It also builds core strength, which women over 40 really need. And it trains both arms to work together, which speeds up toning. Come into a modified plank. Hands under your shoulders, knees on the floor. Keep your hips as still as you can. Lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder. Then your left hand to your right shoulder. Slow and controlled. Don't rush it. 3 sets of 10 taps per side. Rest 30 seconds. So here's your arm toning routine builder. Start with wall push UPS for 5 to 10 reps. Then move into chair tricep dips for 10 to 12 reps. Follow with arm circles for 30 seconds each direction. Then do diamond push UPS on your knees for 8 to 10 reps. And finish with plank shoulder taps for 10 taps per side. Do this every day, stay consistent, and your arms will start to feel stronger, firmer, and more toned. If you want to tone your whole body after 40, watch this next video. Start today, and I'll see you in the next one.